are pleased to show you the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With sharp angles, sleek lines, and a sculpted body, the Lincoln MKZ has an impressive stance and a dynamic design. Add that to the clean, modern interior with standard features, including rich leather, exotic wood, and a sophisticated assistant that responds to the sound of your voice, and you'll see the MKZ offers a new dimension of luxury. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, rear defrost. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.